Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Monday, June 26th, 2023. Now, this is a Chadwick Miller. Another one of the many relabeled tats. Now, it was new in the box, so the only box that's left are the blades. The box was severely water damaged. Unfortunately, that did transfer to the fan. You know, you can tell on some of the blade brackets are a bit corroded. But here's the original owner's manual. And it did come with the Chadwick 48-inch rotary control. I've yet to actually try it. I have it hitched up to my pretty much my identical Enviro fan control. These were obviously the same manufacturers. Yeah, so without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. Start off on 1, which is the fastest. And boom goes the dynamite. Okay, yeah, it helps when I plug it in. There we go. Now the down rod and upper canopy are MIA, so I had to improvise and usurp them from another tat. Go figure, it fit perfectly. And actually, the upper canopy I usurped from that little union over there. Two. Three. Buzzing now. 4. Wow, it's really buzzing something fierce. It doesn't like those low speeds, I guess. 5. And now for the spin down. So there'll be a number of these fans I'll be testing. I have a whole bunch of tats. One's labeled Le Mans. A couple of them down there are just labeled tat, I think. In fact, I know they are. So, yeah, you'll be seeing quite a few of these in the not too distant future. I think the tat and union were kind of in it together because, you know, I mean, take a look at my union up there. I mean, the little design on the blades is pretty much the same. The upper and lower canopies, down rods are all the same. So they're very, you know, it's probably the same OEM over there in Hong Kong. And these are cool fans. I like these spinners. There's Tweedlebug fans, as John Reed calls them. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Let me move the phone up here so you can see the nice snazzy Chadwick logo. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.